Oh, here's the seat. I think he has a little Cessna. That'd be pretty cool.
My van?
Yeah. Yes. Okay. 16 back.
Right over the cloud. There's one. There's two. And there's number three. And wait for it. We've got three good canopies. All right. Life is good. You know, that's a heck of a view from up there, too. Now, these gentlemen are flying Ram Air parachutes. They're square, unlike the round parachutes that were used during World War II. You can steer these. You've got a pair of control handles. They call them toggles. You pull on the left one, the chute turns left. You pull on the right one, it goes right. And if you pull on both of them, you're flaring for a landing, which you're not. Here comes jumper number two. Oh, look at this. Slowed it down completely. And the rockets red glare. The bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. In the middle, and this is David Cayley. This is going to be a strafing case. Now you're still wondering where that half victory goes. Well, what if... Yay. Also happens to be his crew chief. Kevin was 15 years old when he started to fly. He soloed on his 16th birthday and received his pilot's license at age 17. Kevin went on to get his commercial, instrument, multi-engine, instructor ratings by the age of 19. 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8-point hesitation rule is stopping precisely every 45 degrees. Commercial aviation, here's Spirit Airlines. From 2016 to present day, he is also proud to receive our country in the United States Air Force and is an honorably discharged veteran from 1980 to 1986. Having 42 years. Ladies and gentlemen, he's dead stick. No engine.
Yep.
Now the wing on this airplane is super strong. It would stand up to 16 G's. That's got to be about 4 everything. And that's what happens when you blow too many positive G's. And who's David? A little bit of a hefty bump over the top to it. He's in a flat spin. Come on, Scott. That's a risky maneuver, buddy. And he's out. Eric Andrews getting ready to do something the most powerful.